Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with the Number Corners. I hope that you had a fantastic weekend. So, today is a brand new day, and I want you to use your predicting skills. What do you think will be on our calendar card for today? Now, let's go over and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be a basket and some leaves? Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at our calendar card. We see that there are leaves. There is one leaf in the basket and four leaves out of the basket. Let's go ahead and write a math story for this. We could say that the wind was blowing and it blew one leaf into the basket. Four leaves were blowing out of the basket. How many leaves are there altogether? Let's also write our equation. One leaf plus four leaves equals altogether how many leaves? We have 5 leaves on our calendar card today. Now, we are going to say our date, and we know when we say our date, we always start with the day of the week. And today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. Let's say that again one more time, first graders. Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. Good, let's keep going. Now we're going to say our days of the week, and we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And from our calendar, we see that today is Monday. If today is Monday, let's read it. Yesterday was Sunday. Good job. Now, let's go ahead and read it, first graders. Tomorrow will be. What will tomorrow be? Tuesday. Let's keep going. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and say our months. And you know we have to stop at our new month. So let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. And we see that October is the 9th or the 10th month. We're in a new month, the 10th month of the year. Now let's go ahead and write our date. And we know what we can write our date two different ways. And this is the 10th month. So I'm going to write 10. And today is the 5th. And our year is 2020, but Miss Kyler never writes all that. I'm only going to write the two last digits. That's the 2 and the 0. Now I'm going to write the abbreviation for October. The 5th, comma, 2020. Okay, let's keep going, first graders. Now here is my favorite part. We have been in school. Yes, Friday made 19 days. So today is a brand new day, first graders. So we've been in school 20 whole days. Now let's go ahead and see how to write the number 20 and how to write the word 20. Okay, first graders. So here is the number 20 and the word 20. Now read me that word, first graders. 20. Look at you learning these new words. Fantastic. Now we know in this two-digit number that we have two tens and 0 1s. See, we have a group of 10 here and a group of 10 there, and we have no 1s. So we have a big 0 for the 1s. Now, we also know that we can write equations to represent our grid here. And below the bolded line, in the first column, we have 5. Then we had another group of 5 above the bolded line. Now let's look at the second column here, the blue column. We have below the dotted line 5, and above the bolded line another group of 5. And we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. And when we have that many 5s, we can just count by 5. So we can say 5, 10, 15, 20. Now let's add the two columns together. So we had just took all 10 of those there. We have first column is 10. The second column is another group of 10. Two groups of 10. Two groups of 10 equals 20. Okay, first graders, we're not done yet. Don't close the video. We have to keep on going. So now we have started collecting 2D pattern block shapes. Miss Kyler's going to go ahead and use her handy dandy spinner here and see how many 2D shapes we're going to collect today. And my spinner stopped at 4 today. I'm going to see if I can hold it so that it doesn't fall. There, we have 4. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to pick 4 2D shapes to add to my grid, to my graph. Because this is a brand new week, we have to start our graph all over again. So Miss Kyler had to pick 4 shapes today. Let's see, I think I'll go with a rhombus. Let's go with 2 rhombuses. A hexagon, and I think I'll do one more rhombus. I'm feeling very rhombusy today. So on our graph, we see that we have 3 rhombuses and 1 hexagon. So first graders, now that we're all done with our 2D shaped graph, I want you to go ahead and finish your class kick activity for today. Go ahead to the next slide. Bye-bye, first graders.